नमस्कार। जय श्री राधे। इस वक्त हैं हम प्रयागराज महाकुंभ 2025 में और हमारे साथ मौजूद हैं जर्मनी से आए हुए एक भक्त हैं जो कि महाकुंभ में लगातार आते रहे हैं। तो आइए इनसे बातचीत करते हैं। व्हाट्स योर नेम?
Katz
कैट्स। कैट्स, वेयर आर यू फ्रॉम?
from Germany.
जर्मनी। एंड व्हाट्स योर फीलिंग इन महाकुंभ?
Mahakumbh is overwhelming, very confusing.
व्हाट्स योर कंफ्यूज, लाइक व्हाट्स कंफ्यूजिंग?
It's so many people, so many places, but also when you feel a lifting of the heart
Okay.
because everybody is here for.
You mean you are feeling fly, like it's very lighting, like it's very like so many rush, so many people in Mahakumbh, so many people in Mahakumbh. So what's different you feel in Mahakumbh, because you are from different country, right? You came India always. You came India. You know Kashi Banaras, and like Ayodhya. You know, you went Ayodhya.
Ayodhya.
Ram Nagri, Ram.
No.
You know Ram.
Ram, yes.
Ram Krishna, you know, na? So, like, what's your feeling in Germany and come in like Mahakumbh? So, what's different?
This is the third time I have been to Mahakumbh. I came in 2001, in 2013, and now this year. So it's also a big part of my life to come to the Mahakumbh.
So, how many days? How long you come?
I arrived just 2 days ago. Maybe I stay. I don't know how long I stay. When we,
So, you come alone or you come with some of friends or like bunch of people?
I come alone. Like
You come alone. You are married?
no.
So you know, what's your thinking? What goods in married life or vairag? You know vairag?
What?
Vairagya. Live alone in whole life.
Live alone. Yeah.
So what is better, live alone or married or like what?
It depends on the person, doesn't it? For me, it's just yeah.
Depend on person, 100%.
Yeah.
You meet some different gurus because Mahakumbh is very big, or so many gurus in there. So many gurus, Shankaracharya, Kathavachaks, different Krishna Bhakt, Mahadev Bhakt. So Sadhu Sant, you know, Aghori Babas. So Radha Prasad, yeah. How you know Mahadev? Mahadev के बारे में आप कुछ बता सकते हैं?
Yeah, where I'm staying is another ashram, and I met him last night there. Yeah. I don't know. I think I wrote down his name, but.
ये जो आपने माला पहन रखी है, इसके बारे में थोड़ा सा आप बताएंगे? आप दीक्षित हैं, कैसा है? This mala.
Oh, this is from.
What is
It's from Canada.
Canada? It's a tulsi mala.
It's made by the Native Americans in Canada. And I found it walking along the beach. So I don't know who made it actually.
Okay.
But I've had it for a long time. Yeah.
You know tulsi mala, kanthi mala like this. It's a tag of Krishna Bhakti. Okay.
Yeah.
So how like आप कितना और रुकने वाले हैं अभी महाकुंभ में? कितने दिन और रुकने वाले हैं आप महाकुंभ में?
English?
How many days you are staying in Mahakumbh?
I don't know. Maybe 7 days. Yeah.
And tell me something about your life, like what's your life in Germany? What's you are doing?
Okay. I'm an actor. I do stage theater and dance and singing. I do all that.
You mean you are a theater artist?
Yes, that's correct. I'm a theater.
You did some films or something?
Yes, but not much. Mostly live stage.
Okay.
Yeah.
You're doing acting or direction also.
Also direction. Yeah. Yeah. I directed a play just last year, a few months before. And
What is the
year before that, we did a play by Shakespeare.
what is the similarity in acting or like natural acting, camera acting and different actings? So what is the similarities in spirituality or acting like?
Spirituality and acting. Yeah, there are some similarities between spirituality and acting, because when you're an actor, you play many roles, and in this life, we also play many roles, and everybody that you meet is playing a different role. So, as Shakespeare said, life is a stage.
You know Osho?
Yes, I know Osho, and I like his writing also.
You listen Osho?
Some, yes, listen some.
So you did something in India in acting, theaters, because NSD, Delhi, National School of Drama, is a theater school in India.
No, I have not done any theater in India. Maybe someday.
Okay. Bollywood, right? You know Bollywood?
I know Bollywood. Yeah, I know Bollywood.
Some heroes. Who's your favorite hero? Bollywood? Your favorite actor?
I don't know any names. I'm sorry.
Some directors?
I don't.
Okay. No issue. What's your daily routine in Germany?
Well, I don't have a definite routine, because sometimes if I'm working on a play, I'm very busy. But I also do a lot of writing, so different writing on different things. And I do teach acting and voice also.
What's your think?
Let me show you something.
It's amazing. It's amazing.
We call that overtoning.
Okay.
Yeah, it's actually originally from Mongolia.
Okay.
This kind of voice.
Okay. Actually, I'm also a voiceover artist. It's very amazing. What's your thinking in life? What is a life? Like exploring places, or what is like? What is a peaceful in life?
For me, life is about, my favorite things in life are both theater and traveling.
Okay.
And for me, the most important thing in life is experience. So it's not about accumulating money or things, right?
All the materialistic things, they are not peaceful, right?
But I think that in India, people have more this kind of attitude that they live in the moment, that the experience is more important than whatever making
Materialistic things.
Yeah.
I agree with that. Like, correct.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. Then,
Are you finished? Okay.
thank you so much. Yeah. Jai Shri Krishna.
Namaste.
Namaste. Jai Shri Krishna.
Jai Shri Krishna.
Correct.
Okay.
Jai Shri Radhe.
Jai Shri Radni.
जय श्री राधे. ओके, थैंक यू सो मच. ये थे जर्मनी से. काफ़ी अच्छी बातचीत हुई इनसे हमारी, और महाकुंभ को लेके काफ़ी उत्साहित हैं. हमेशा महाकुंभ में आते रहते हैं, और जैसा कि कहा जैन ने कि लाइफ एक यात्रा है, जीवन एक यात्रा है, इसको एक्सप्लोर करें. जैसे कि उन्होंने बताया उनको डांस करना पसंद है, थिएटर करना पसंद है. तो आर्ट जो जीवन में, जिसके जीवन में आर्ट नहीं है, तो कहीं ना कहीं आप जीवन को बहुत मद्दा जी रहे हैं. आप जो कि बता रहे हो कि जैसा मैंने एटीट्यूड देखा भारत में आके, लोग यात्रा एक्सप्लोर करने की जगह पैसा कमाने में ज़्यादा रुचि रखते हैं, मटेरियलिस्टिक चीज़ों में. तो बहुत अच्छा लगा इनसे बात करके. काफ़ी इंटरेस्टेड हैं घूमने के लिए. तो जय श्री कृष्णा. कुंज बिहारी शहीदास.